Start talking about meal planning. So when it comes to meal planning, all right, sorry, this whole technology thing. All right, so here we go. When we meal plan, this is what a healthy meal should look like. All right, so we're planning our meals. Most of your meals should look just like this. You know, you want to have your 1 to 2 pounds of a lean protein, carbs, and carbs doesn't mean it has to be rice and mashed potatoes. Carbs can be a fruit with your meal. Fats are important. Fats are an important part of your diet, whether you cook with it, you know, the olive oils and stuff like that, or have some avocado, nuts, etc. Eating fat doesn't make you fat. Eating too much of anything makes you fat. Vegetables, 1 to 2 fists of vegetables on your plate, and that helps, you know, keep you satiated. The fiber helps keep the plumbing going. So, and it doesn't mean it has to be on the weekend, but this can be anytime you have free time during the week to sit down and see what the week ahead kind of looks like and to kind of make yourself a menu. So when we're meal planning, these are some things you need to consider. Look at your schedule. See what your busier days are. Maybe you've got to, drop Johnny off at camp, and then you've got a work meeting because not everybody's off all summer, and then you want to go to a party later, etc. You know, so then those days when you're busier, you'll want to have snacks or meals ready, so when you come home, you can just boom, heat up a meal, boom, whatever, or have snacks on the go. You know, and when you're planning, maybe there's days where you can cook. You can cook for the family, or you're having family over after the beach and you want to cook for them. Have that meal plan so that you can come home and cook it. And the last part of meal planning is having stuff that you're going to want on the go. Maybe you're going to the beach all day, or you got meetings all day. You've got errands to run, etc. Keeping snacks, for when you need them. This is all part of meal planning. And have them up containers. Get yourself some good Tupperware, whatever good containers you see. They're the first thing I see when I walk into most supermarkets right now. So have your meal prep stuff ready. Plan your meals, and you're good to go. So after we're done planning, I'm going to stop sharing screen here.